Okay, so we are having what tomorrow? We are having Thursday tomorrow, but we're also having quiz tomorrow, right? So tomorrow we're having a quiz. So today we're going to do a review, so we can be successful on our quiz. Yes. One of the things you got to do on your review, which you have to do on your quiz, is something like this. Now, is everyone looking over here? Hey, go ahead. Now, you need to be able to, first of all, factor this and then solve it. But we've said you cannot factor this unless it equals 0. This does not equal 0. This equals two terms, okay? So is everyone looking up here? You should either already know how to do this or you're getting this right now, okay? If it doesn't equal 0, you're going to have to do the opposite of whatever's on the right side to move it over to the left, okay? So what's the opposite of a positive 11x? Okay, negative or minus 11x. So put minus 11x here, and on the left side, minus 11x here. All right, so that cancels it out on the right side. Now notice that 18 has a minus in front of it, so we want to get rid of a minus 18. What's the opposite of minus 18? Plus. So plus 18 on the right. And if I do it on the right, I'm going to do it on the left, plus 18. And it cancels out on the right, okay? Now, everything on the right is gone and canceled out, so this whole side, you can just put 0 because it's canceled out. That's what we wanted. Now on the left side, we have an x squared minus 11x plus 18. Each of those terms are different. You cannot combine those terms, right? Right? So x squared minus 11x plus 18, you literally write them next to each other. So x squared minus 11x plus 18. That's how you do that. Oh my gosh, hold on one second. Minus 11. Okay. Now, once you have it equal 0, can you factor it? So you want to think about, is a equal to 1? So there's nothing in front of x squared. So now I want to find the factor pairs of 18. So what multiplies to make 18, starting with 1? 1 times what? 18. Does everyone know 1 times 18 is 18? 1 times 18, and if you change both signs, negative 1 times negative 18, right? And then 2 times what? 2 times 9, negative 2 times negative 9. What about 3? 3 times 6, negative 3, negative 6, and I think that's it. Which one of those possible factor pairs gives me the middle term, negative 11? Negative 2 and negative 9 give us negative 11. So I'm going to break that into two parentheses. It still equals 0. You got an x in both of them. Okay. And then what goes in here and here are these two numbers, negative 2 and negative 9. So minus 2, minus 9. All we've done so far is factor, okay? But the next thing we got to do is solve it. We need to make sure we set each parentheses equal to 0, okay? So let's do that. The x minus 2 equals 0, and then the x minus 9 equals 0, okay? Now, can you solve these one-step equations? I think so. So to get rid of the minus 2, the opposite is plus 2 plus 2. So x equals 2. And to get rid of the minus 9, plus 9, x equals 9. Okay? And those are your two answers. All right. So that is how you can take something that's not equal to 0, set it equal to 0, factor it, solve it. Okay. You're going to be doing stuff like that on your review. Now your review has 5 questions. Your quiz tomorrow has 5 questions, very similar to this. So you want to make sure you do this. I want you to try this on your own. You can check your answers with the keys on the wall here and there. That key is also posted on Google Classroom in the stream, along with the video of me going over it. You can check that out, okay? When you're doing number 5 on your review, think about this warm-up. I'm going to leave it on the board here, of course. But let's knock out this review, ask questions as needed, but you can check your answers with the keys on the wall in Google Classroom. Here we go.